Looking to cover large areas quickly and evenly? The Best Boomless spray nozzle is the perfect solution for efficient, wide-reaching spray applications. Ideal for pastures, gravel roads, and large lawns, it delivers powerful performance without the hassle of a boom. Number 1. JADSOrBoBi Boomless Sprayer Nozzle. The JADSOrBoBi Boomless Sprayer Nozzle stands out for its impressive combination of performance, durability, and ease of use. Designed to deliver wide coverage, this nozzle boasts a spray width of up to 31 feet, making it an ideal choice for homeowners, landscapers, and farmers looking to efficiently manage large spraying areas. Whether you're treating lawns, fields, or paddocks, the extended reach ensures fewer passes, saving time and reducing labor. One of the highlights of this product is its versatile compatibility. It's built to fit most ATV spot sprayers, making it a convenient addition to existing spraying setups. This flexibility means you won't need to invest in additional equipment or adapters, simplifying your workflow. Constructed with high-quality materials, the JADSOrBoBi nozzle promises long-lasting durability, withstanding regular use and exposure to harsh outdoor conditions without succumbing to wear and tear. Another notable feature is its precise application capability. The point-type spray pattern allows users to target specific areas with accuracy, reducing overspray and minimizing waste of chemicals or water. This makes it especially effective for delicate applications like treating garden beds or managing invasive plants in specific spots. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring minimal tools or expertise. In just a few minutes, the nozzle can be attached and ready for operation. In summary, the JADSOrBoBi Boomless Sprayer Nozzle offers a practical, durable, and efficient solution for those needing wide area coverage without the complexity of traditional boom systems. Number 2. Motoqueen Boomless Sprayer Nozzle. The Motoqueen Boomless Sprayer Nozzle is a compact yet highly effective tool designed for users who demand both versatility and reliability in their spraying equipment. Capable of delivering a wide spray range of up to 31 feet, this nozzle covers large areas efficiently, making it suitable for agricultural fields, lawns, and roadside vegetation management. Its generous reach minimizes the number of passes required, enhancing productivity and reducing operational time. Crafted from durable brass, the Motoqueen nozzle resists rust and corrosion, ensuring longevity even under challenging outdoor conditions. This durability makes it an excellent investment for those frequently working in wet or corrosive environments. One of the standout features is its 360-degree rotating clip, which allows for precise spray direction adjustments. This functionality adds remarkable convenience, enabling users to target hard-to-reach spots without repositioning the entire ATV or sprayer. Another practical aspect is its space-saving design. Measuring only 3 inches in length, it takes up minimal room on your equipment, maintaining a clean and uncluttered setup. The included rack clamp, compatible with any 2-inch thick UTV tailgate, further enhances its versatility, offering secure and easy mounting options. In conclusion, the Motoqueen Boomless Sprayer Nozzle combines impressive performance with compact, durable construction. It's particularly well-suited for users who value flexibility, easy installation, and reliable coverage. Its brass build and thoughtful design features ensure long-term performance and convenience, making it a worthy addition to any sprayer system. Number 3. RUHUALIFE Boomless Sprayer Nozzle. The RUHUALIFE Boomless Sprayer Nozzle offers a solid blend of durability, efficiency, and adaptability, making it a go-to option for demanding spraying tasks. Upgraded with premium brass material, this nozzle and its adapter are built to outlast plastic counterparts, offering superior corrosion resistance and durability. The high thread precision and integrated EPD rubber pad reduce the risk of leaks, particularly valuable in high-pressure, high-frequency applications. Designed for 12-volt pumps operating at 30 to 35 psi, the RUHUALIFE nozzle delivers a consistent 12-foot spray pattern at a flow rate of 3.0 GPM. This medium to high flow rate ensures even and broad coverage, ideal for lawns, fields, wooded areas, and terrains riddled with obstacles. It's a practical choice where conventional boom systems struggle to maneuver. The nozzle is easy to install, featuring a stainless steel frame with 2 mounting options, U-shaped bolts and self-tapping screws or bolts. This allows for secure and adaptable placement on various equipment setups. Compatibility is another strong point, as the nozzle works well with most branded broadcast sprayers and no boom kits. In summary, the RUHUALIFE Boomless sprayer nozzle stands out for its rugged construction and efficient performance. It handles large-scale spraying with ease while offering the flexibility to tackle smaller, more targeted jobs. With its high-quality materials, easy installation, and reliable coverage, this nozzle is a dependable tool for any serious spraying operation. Number 4. Corben Boomless Sprayer Nozzle. The Corben Boomless Sprayer Nozzle is a well-rounded tool designed for those who prioritize portability, ease of use, and effective spray control. Despite its compact 3-inch length, this nozzle covers a wide area, offering a spray range of up to 31 feet. It's an excellent solution for users needing efficient, large-area coverage without the bulk and complexity of traditional boom systems. A standout feature is its 180-degree adjustable spray cap, allowing users to quickly direct the spray up, down, left, or right simply by twisting the cap screw. This adjustability offers excellent control, enabling precise coverage even in tight or irregular spaces. Installation is equally user-friendly, with a straightforward screw and lock mechanism that gets the nozzle operational within seconds. Durability is a key strength, as the Corben nozzle is made of high-quality brass, providing wear resistance and long-term service life. It mounts effortlessly onto broadcast sprayers and features pipe inlets compatible with 3/8 and 1/2-inch hoses, further enhancing its versatility. In summary, the Corben Boomless Sprayer Nozzle delivers excellent performance in a compact, durable package. Its wide spray range, simple installation, and superior adjustability make it a valuable addition to any spraying setup, especially for those who need both reach and precision. Number 5. Besttruck Boomless Sprayer Nozzle. The Besttruck Boomless Sprayer Nozzle is engineered to meet the demands of users working in varied and obstacle-rich environments. With a 16-foot spray pattern at 30 to 35 psi, this nozzle offers a good balance of coverage and control, particularly useful in fields, lawns, and areas dotted with trees where conventional booms are impractical. Compatible with most branded broadcast sprayers and boom kits, it's particularly well suited for use with 2.0 GPM 12V pumps. This ensures reliable performance and consistent application of herbicides, pesticides, and fertilizers. The nozzle features a robust 2-piece construction, enhancing durability and ease of maintenance. Material quality is another high point, with a premium brass nozzle offering rust and corrosion resistance paired with a polypropylene body that delivers excellent heat, oil, and wear resistance. The inclusion of an adapter to connect to 11/16 nozzle bodies adds to its adaptability, making it easy to integrate into existing systems. In conclusion, the Besttruck Boomless Sprayer Nozzle provides a reliable, durable, and efficient spraying solution. Its thoughtful design and quality materials ensure long-lasting performance, while its versatile application makes it a solid investment for anyone tackling large or challenging spraying tasks. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.